The news at 5:30 starts with a look at prices in the U.S. We're taking the good with the bad. Some new data today shows the rate of inflation eased slightly in August compared to July.
Yeah, prices are still at all-time highs, especially for everyday needs like food and housing. Elise Preston is here now to break it all down for us.
The summer inflation heat is cooling off slightly. New government data shows consumer prices surged 8.3% in August over last year, but down from a 40-year high in June.
It looks like maybe inflation might have peaked in June. That makes sense because if you think about it, that's when we saw gas prices tick up over $5.
Gas prices are about 25 cents cheaper per gallon than they were a month ago. But for many households, that savings is funneled into still high food prices, up more than 11%, the highest since 1979, and shelter up 6.2% from a year ago.
The whole place is the bedroom.
The rent for Jerry Weinberger's New York City apartment is jumping from $1,833 to $2,500 a month, forcing her out.
I expected it to be raised, but not that much.
How we feel about inflation can also affect prices. A New York Fed survey from August found consumers expect inflation to fall further in the short and long term.
The Federal Reserve is committed to making that happen, with another rate hike expected at next week's meeting.
If you have a strong labor market, which we still do, and we have prices on the rise, it gives the Fed the ammunition to go and attack inflation.
Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen says it's a delicate balance to avoid a recession.
The Fed is going to need great skill and also some good luck to achieve what we sometimes call a soft landing.
Economists warn it's a marathon, not a sprint, back to prices anywhere close to pre-pandemic levels. Elise Preston, CBS News, New York.